Good morning from Fortified Insurance Agency. It's the beginning of a blizzard here in New Hampshire. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm not walking, but we're taking fat bike work today. A little bit different mode of transportation. I'll be one less car on the road today. We feel it's real important to be in the office to take care of you. Make sure if you have any questions or a claim that we're there to answer the phone. Past 24 hours, we've already had a water damage claim from a burst out water tank. Not blizzard related, but nonetheless, want to make sure we're in the office for you, give you some advice, file a claim, take care of you. From Fortified Insurance Agency, take care, be safe today, stay off the roads. Again, I'm one less car on the road today, riding the old flat bike to work. If you need us, we'll be in the office. Be safe and have a great day.